Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guide channel. In this video we will learn more about pivot table plus slicer timeline. So slicer, timeline, pivot table, these three functions we will learn in this video. So if you have data like this, simply you select the data, click pivot table. You already, the selection is been done, you can see here. And if you want it in a new sheet, let it be like this. Otherwise you can click on existing and give a range. Click here, give a range where you want the data. So let's go to the new, click OK. So here it is. Here I want employee code. I will put it in a filter, full name, sales, budget, and maybe surplus. Okay, so this is the pivot table. Is very simple. It's ready. Now if I want to add a slicer here, simply I can click to slicer. Whatever I need I can take. If I will take a branch slicer, click OK. Here it will give me the branch slicer. What is the function of slicer? You can simply choose one data or one or more data. You need to press control to choose like that, or filter remove from here, so you will see all the data together. Or simply if you just want to know for one Abu Dhabi only, you will know the data. Okay, let's remove the filter. Now we need to know that how to add slicer, but before that we need to have a date function here. So there is no date function. Let me insert. I will put a date label here. Let's say January, February. I'll put this first. I will put month. I want to show you something else before. Simply alt HBA, or you can put even the same format here. Done. Now if you go to pivot table, you won't see the data here, the date which we have added. So what we need to do, we have to go to analysis tab, go to change data source, click here and make a selection again and click OK. Now you will see the date function here. You click date, the date is here. You can put it even in the filter anywhere. Now if you want to put a timeline, it will not create a timeline just because the date format does not match as per the requirement of pivot table. So simply I will change this Jan as Jan space 2025 example, and just drag it down, and date it remains the same. Now I will go again here, and simply what I need is to go to analysis tab and refresh it. I have to refresh this or click refresh all. Once you click refresh, now the data, this date function, it will change. Okay, so let's remove this date. Okay, now you can simply click on insert timeline and click on date. So when you click on timeline, this type of timeline creates. You can select any specific month, example July, August, September, October, so on. Or if you want to select it all, remove the function from here. So this is how you set the slicer, and this is how you set the timeline. So one more thing you can add here, as a again going in insert function, you can simply add a recommended chart. So when you click on chart, click here, any chart you can take, and the column chart we are taking right now, click OK. So you will get the pivot chart as well. So you have everything available right now here. You have chart, you have timeline, slicer, and your pivot table data. So example, if I change here a lane, you will see the changes everywhere will happen. If I change here, now the changes will happen everywhere. So I will take Abu Dhabi data. Here in Abu Dhabi money pool, you can see some of the budget, and this is the sales, and this is the surplus. So this is how the pivot table works. It's very simple. And one more thing I want to tell you, if you want to refresh, auto refresh table, again go to pivot table, click right, pivot table field options, go to data tab, refresh data when file is open, enable this. Okay, that's it. Save. That's all about this video, guys. If you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. See you next time.